teeny tiny. Unit number 2.3. Here's a traditional English story that create horror and fun at the same time. The word teeny tiny repeated throughout the story add to the fun. The story take you to the world of fantasy where ordinary things also appear mysterious. Story of old women are common in traditional tale of many regions. We call this story of traditional story. Why? Because only one character in this story we explain. This character name is old woman, a little teeny tiny old woman. Now let's start our story. First I read first stanza. You listen carefully and look it in your book. Teeny tiny. Once upon a time there was a teeny tiny woman who lived in a teeny tiny house in a teeny tiny village. Now one day this teeny tiny woman tied her teeny tiny scarf and went out of her teeny tiny house to take a teeny tiny walk on a teeny tiny road. And when this teeny tiny woman had gone a teeny tiny way, she came to a teeny tiny gate. So the teeny tiny woman opened the teeny tiny gate and went into a teeny tiny churchyard. This para explains our character old woman, teeny tiny old woman, live in a teeny tiny house. Which type of house? Teeny tiny. And where this house is built? A teeny tiny village. Now one day this teeny tiny woman tied her teeny tiny scarf. Tied means garnet. To knot her scarf and went out of her teeny tiny house to take a teeny tiny walk. She take a teeny tiny walk on a teeny tiny road. And when she go, where she go? In a churchyard. And churchyard gate also teeny tiny. What is mean of churchyard? An enclosed area around church. जे चर्चच्या आजूबाजू एरिया असतो त्याला churchyard म्हणतात. And when this teeny tiny woman had got into the teeny tiny churchyard, she saw a teeny tiny bone on a teeny tiny grave, and the teeny tiny woman said to her teeny tiny self. What happened in this para? When this teeny tiny woman entered a teeny tiny churchyard, what she saw? What she saw? Raise your hand only. A teeny tiny bone. And where she saw? Which type of grave? Teeny tiny grave. This story, one word continuously repeated because it creates a fun and horror also, and that's why grave also teeny tiny and bone is also teeny tiny. And the teeny tiny woman said to her teeny tiny self, this teeny tiny bone will make me some teeny tiny soup for my supper, teeny tiny supper. What she said to her teeny tiny self? What she said?
This teeny tiny bone will make me some teeny tiny soup for my teeny tiny supper.
Supper means last meal of the day. When she saw a teeny tiny bone, at that time she think that this bone is useful for my last meal, last meal of the day. She make soup for using this teeny tiny bone. So the teeny tiny woman put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket. Where she put this teeny tiny bone? In a teeny tiny pocket. And went home to her teeny tiny house. Now when the teeny tiny woman got home to her teeny tiny house, she was teeny tiny bit tired. What happened now? She was teeny tiny tired. What feel? She felt tired, and that's why she went up her teeny tiny stair to her teeny tiny bed. ती आता कुठे गेली आहे? She went on her teeny tiny bed for sleeping. Because why she go on the bed? She was tired. That's why she went on her bed and put the teeny tiny bone into a teeny tiny cupboard. Where she put his teeny tiny bone? Her teeny tiny bone? Anybody else? her cupboard also teeny tiny. And when this teeny tiny woman had been to sleep a teeny tiny time, she was awoke by a teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard which said, "Give me my bone." What said? "Give me my bone." Said silently, "Give me my bone." Give me my bone. When she slept, what she heard? A teeny tiny voice come from her teeny tiny cupboard, said, "Give me my bone." And this teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit frightened. What happened now? Our teeny tiny woman little bit frightened. ती घाबरली आहे. So she hid her teeny tiny head under the teeny tiny cloth and went to sleep again. She a bit louder. "Give me my bone. Give me my bone." Some louder sound come from the cupboard. This made the teeny tiny woman a teeny tiny more hide her teeny tiny head a teeny tiny further under the teeny tiny cloth. And when the teeny tiny woman had been to sleep again a teeny tiny time, the teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard said again, "Give me my bone." Give me my bone. This time the voice was come more louder than last time. That's why our teeny tiny woman more frightened, more and more frightened. Now she hide her head in teeny tiny cloth. Hide her head. No. What happened? What she do? And said her loudest teeny tiny voice. What she said? "Take it." जोरात काय म्हटली ती? "Take it." तुझं बोन तू घे असं ती म्हणते.